and has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hardee County and central Florida, northeastern Manatee County and west central Florida, southeastern Hillsborough County and west central Florida, southwestern Polk County and central Florida, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hillsborough River State Park to near Fishhawk to near Parish, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakeland, Winter Haven, King City, Myrtle, Albanyville, Fishhawk, Raymond, Raider Sunday Center,
Here it comes.
Parish, Hillempton, Fussell's Corner, Crombie Settlement, Lakeland Linder Airport, January File, Village and Riverview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee and Polk.